Hello, welcome to another LTN Productions HeroClix unboxing with Lyle. This is the House of X HeroClix unboxing. So I'm just going to get right into it. Let's see what we got in the first one. Now, okay. I got Maggot, super rare. Sinister Clone. Let's see, what is her name? I can't see it with the glare. And then Douglock and Forge. So that's the first pack. So we got a super rare. I will check the cards because there are team up cards in this in these particular boosters. They brought them back from the JLU. They were that popular. Okay. Let's see, I got Kid Omega, Mr. Sinister, Wolverine, Cypher, and another Forge. Now, I don't know the distribution of these, what I'm going to get, so it's a big surprise to me. Okay, we've got Sunspot, Domino, Marvel Girl, Egg, and Professor X. See, and if you notice, I don't know if it's going to come out on camera or not, but these guys are actually bigger. They decided to make, whoops, that figure fell out. These guys, I'll try to get it on camera. This is Shard, and these sculpts are just slightly bigger than normal. So when you get them in person, you do notice that they are actually bigger and more detailed. You can really see the facial features and everything with them. So that's pretty cool. And then I got Prestige, Warrior X, the one I really wanted to get, which was Bishop, and Rachel Gray. Put that right there. I've heard Warrior X is going to be really good. Okay, I got Kid Omega, Tessa, Elixir, Sage, and Psylocke. Oh, this is a light one. I got Psylocke, Shard, what is her name? Trinarray, Psylocke, and Chode. I think that's how you say his name. He's a Starjammer. So there's definitely a good mix of X-Men in this set. You know, you get all the different, X-Men. This one's a little bit heavier. Let's see what we get. Okay. We've got a Sinister Clone, Hope Summers, Emma Frost, Trinary again, and Wolverine. I think this is a different Wolverine than... Yeah, it's a different Wolverine than what we got before. There's like 3 Wolverines in this set, from what I understand. There we go. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh, I got the Prime. I got Domino. And I can't see with the glare, but he's like Nightcrawler but different. Cardinal, Tessa, Sunspot, and I'll pop this guy out. This is one of the ones I wanted. The Bishop, Prime, Common Prime. So he's pretty cool. He kind of looks, he's different than the other Bishop. He looks more like the cartoon that we kind of wanted to, at least personally I wanted to get in the X-Men, the animated series. But these sculpts are really awesome. Let me switch this up. There we go. Now, like I said, I don't know the distribution. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get a Chase because I got a Prime. But we'll see. Let's see. Okay. We've got Cypher, Polaris, Trinary, Hezeba, I think that's how you say her name, and Glob Herman as our super rare. He's really cool looking because you can see his skeleton inside this translucent body. Let's see. Move that. And here's the last one. Uh-oh. Something's loose in there. Oh. One of the figures came out loose. Dr. Cecilia Reyes is our rare. Wolverine. I don't know how to say his name. It's Exor, I think. Beast, one of my favorite characters, and Sunspot. So, like I said, I will get back to you in a couple minutes after I check the cards. Let me see if I got any. Let's see. Nothing there.
And just put it aside.
I don't know the distribution of these team-up cards. I know you're supposed to get a couple in each brick, but I have no idea if I'll get any. But they introduced a couple different things. Also, they introduced something called Kakroan Revival Tray. Which is basically allows your character to die, certain characters to die and come back. So they can do that basically as many times as you want. Oh, I did get a team up card. Okay. Team up card Storm. It's actually a Forge team up card. So that's what they look like. That's the, I know that's, and this is the regular Forge card. So that's what they look like. They're basically blue. So when you get your packs or your brick or case or whatever you're looking for, and then this is the Krakoan Revival Bystanders. So that's the Krakoan rules. You can pause that and read it. I'm not going to read it for you. It's not working?
No, it's just too flimsy. But now they'll be able to read it anyway.
Okay. And then those are the bystanders. Basically, every time someone dies, you pick a bystander to come out. Oh, that guy's creepy. Skinless assassin. That's creepy. Okay, so that's one. Team up card for Wolverine this time. So, the common Wolverine. Basically, it just says X-Men theme team. When establishing theme teams, friendly characters with the X-Men keyword gain the Jean Grey School for Higher Learning keyword. So that's actually from the set Regenerous, or whatever it was called, came out last year, which was a pretty cool set where you played, if you don't know, you basically played either on the side of Cyclops or the side of Wolverine. And they had pretty cool bases that were yellow and blue. And it was a fun tournament to play in. Let's see what's here. I don't see any blue cards. The nice thing is with the Krakoan Revival trait is that they give you a bunch of them. So every character that has it gets one. Okay. Let's see. Just got 2 more packs to go. One more pack. Like I said, I don't know how many of these cards you get. I'm pretty sure it's 2 or 3. Looks like I only got 2. So, that's it. I didn't get a chase. I just got the prime that I wanted, which is pretty cool. I got pretty much the figures that I wanted. Bishop, Beast, Wolverine, some of my favorites. And then I got at least 3 super rares in here somewhere. And the sculpts are just amazing on these figures. So I just wanted to point that out again, that these sculpts are bigger, they look better, and just to let you know, if you're new to the game, they did increase the price of the HeroClix to kind of compensate for the sculpt size getting bigger. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive to buy a brick or a case, but not by much. So I just thought I'd let you know. Please buy from your local comic book stores or brick and mortar stores, because they need our support right now. Hopefully we'll be able to get back into actually gaming in person soon. I do want to say, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out if you do that. It helps keep me motivated to want to make more videos for you. And we'll see you next time here on LTN Productions. I'm Lyle, signing off.